Hi, welcome to CodeOmelet. Today we will be installing Python 3.8.3. To begin, we shall just go to the Python site, which is python.org. Over here, go to the downloads and go for Windows, since we are installing this for Windows. We will be installing the 64-bit executable installer, since this is 64-bit Windows, but just in case you need to check which architecture of Windows you are using, press the Windows key and pause and break together, and you will get this screen, which over here will give you the system type as 64-bit or 32-bit if you're using a 32-bit system. Since I already have the executable installer, I shall just go ahead and install it, which is this. One thing to note here though is, please tick mark this add Python 3.8 to your path. You can customize install, but for me right now, idle and pip and the documentation is all I need. Once you click OK, then you get this mandatory user account control. Just click yes. I shall get back to you once this installs. The head has finished installing. Now we'll just click close this, and since we don't need the browser, we shall close this also. Now to confirm it works, I shall go to the command prompt, cmd. Over here I'll just type Python space -v, which will give me the current version number, which is 3.8.3. Then I shall just check if pip works, which is the Python package manager. And there we can see we have 20.1.1. To confirm Python works, I will just print a simple hello world statement. First I shall enter Python, the REPL, and now I shall type print hello world. There. To exit out of this, I shall just type quit in this brackets. To confirm pip works, I shall just do an install of Beautiful Soup, which is a package for Python. As you can see, I already have it installed, but it works fine. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you and see you next time.